Welcome to our channel. Till now we discussed click event, mouse event, and then form events in jQuery. Now we will discuss one more event that is called keyboard event. Now what is mean by keyboard? The event that are related to the keyboard you are using. Suppose whenever you press a keyboard, that is keyboard in the sense whenever you press a button on the keyboard, whenever you release the keyboard, all the events that are related for keys related to attached to keyboard events. The first one, key down, means when you press a key, that is keyed it down. When you press a key on the keyboard, this key down is occurred. Now, this key down is generally associated with two more events. Key press specifies that the key is pressed down. Key up, the key is released, and the syntax is as usual same. Dollar selector, key down, key press, key up. Now I will show with one example. Now what is the procedure? The same procedure. First to write down the attachment of jQuery to your web page. src is equal to jQuery. Okay, my script attachment is completed. Now move to the script tag. You can write in the head section, body section, that is not a problem. What is the first basic syntax? Dollar of document dot ready of. Okay, within the ready, if you want to attach anything, that is inside the function. Now inside the function, whatever you want, you can write. Now I am writing something dollar input. So anyway, I will write down some input button also. That is not a problem. Dollar input of what are the things? Key press or okay, we are doing with the key down. Key down event. We are moving with key down event. Yes, clear? Now in this key down, if you want, you can attach some function. If you want, you can attach some function. Now, directly you can write some alert message. You can write some alert message, key downed. Alert message, key downed. Now, here, save this one. Coming to the body. Within the body, I will take some input. Type is equal to some text. Now, copy the path. Go to browser. Observe. Whenever I press a key for typing, automatically key down occurred. You got my point? Whenever you press a key, the key down event is occurred. Clear? Next one, key up and key press. What is the meaning of key press? This event occurred whenever a keyboard button is pressed down. If you understand, key down and key press both are similar. The keypress method is execute attached a function to run where keypress event occurred. Where keypress event occurred. Now go to here. I am explaining keypress. Same logic. Instead of key down, I am using keypress of function. Keypress of function. Now, for your understanding, I will change to something. Suppose in the script tag, I take some variable I is equal to 0. Now, change the entire way of writing the program. Span tag, I am taking dot text. I used the text. Within the text, each and every time I am incrementing the value of I by 1. That is my event. Okay, whenever I pressed, the value is incremented by 1. Now, within the body, input type is equal to text. Now, one paragraph I written. Key press. span. Initially, I given span as 0. Save. Refresh. Now observe key press. Why it is the key press? Okay, the message I given. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you got it. How many number of times you pressed the key? That is I return. Instead of normal alert message, I return some incremented value. How many number of times you pressed the key? That is also displayed. Clear? Now move to the last one. Key up. Whenever you released the key up event occurred. The key up event occurred. For releasing purpose, you need to understand key down. Suppose I will change the program like this. Key down function dollar input. Instead of using the same thing, I will write down CSS of, you know how to use, background color, comma, red. I given the background color as red. This is key down event. I written this one as key down event. Copy the same thing. Now here I will change into key up just for your understanding. How can you identify whether it is released or not? So for that, whenever you down the key, red color, whenever you release the key, the color is changed into green color. The color is changed into green color. Now this entire thing is not at all required. Save, go to the browser, refresh. Now observe, I am press the key. A color is red. Now I am pressing, color is red. Whenever I release, color is green. Now you understand key down and key up along with key press. These are different keyboard events. These are the different events that are available in jQuery. Thank you.